Brandon Schueler with Jagged-X Racing, and we've been desert racing UTVs for almost 10 years now. Our whole race program is family oriented. My dad is a huge part of our race team. He comes to every race. He's our pit crew basically. He runs a chase truck, he runs the pits, organizes everything and makes sure that we're in the right place at the right time. My mom's obviously team mom, and my wife is team wife. Our kids come to the race, our friends and family come to the race. It really is a family affair, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
We race together. We all go together. It's a family deal for us. As a family, we do a lot of things together. I'm actually kind of blessed because I get to spend so much time with both my kids and my wife and my daughters-in-law, my grandkids. All of our families plan everything around a race schedule.
That's the hole goes. Okay. Perfect. Load them up.
Being a factory Polaris racer is something that you gotta uphold. The prep work, it's daunting, it kicks your butt. The car comes down the frame pretty much between every race. Doesn't matter if you have a week or a month or 3 months. It doesn't matter what your schedule is. It doesn't matter if it's a 100-mile race or a 1,000-mile race. We do the same prep on our car for every race. Your car has to be at 100% going into every race. Unfortunately, it's not just the race car. So you get the car done, you go out, you test it, and you fix it, anything that needs to happen to it. And then you gotta go through the trucks, the toter homes, all the logistics lined up. There's definitely a lot of work that goes into it, but it's at the end of the day, it's worth it. It's a lot of fun. It honestly is a blast. It's a job, but it's a fun job.
I think things are ironed out right now, and I think we're on a good roll. I can tell you, Brandon's not been more positive about the whole race program in a long, long time. I'm excited for that. I'm excited to see how this all plays out.
We've been busting our ass trying to get this car ready and get it perfectly dialed in for the men. We won the 50th Baja 1000, and now we need the 50th Min. We're pushing for this race harder than any of the other races that we're going.